Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I am at the incredible Rotterdam Central station, opened in 2014 to serve, well, the city of Rotterdam in the Netherlands. Today I'm here to go on one of the newest intercity trains in the Netherlands fleet, to see how good they really are. Rotterdam Central has direct connections to the metro, as well as every shop that you might need, and a direct connection to London with the Eurostar. And with that sprinter service bound for Dordrecht, here is our brand new NS Intercity New Generation, nicknamed the WESP train. These services are replacing the older trains such as the Koploper, which are the very recognisable 1977 stock train. These trains are intended to replace older stock, and the rolling stock is intended to accommodate the growth in the number of passengers on the Netherlands network. First impressions are that these trains certainly look the part. Currently, as of July 2023, they run only a few services a day, so I was very lucky to get this one bound for Eindhoven. Inside, the trains are really nice. They have doors that separate each compartment, they have large toilets, they have this sort of bench seating area, lots of space for wheelchair users and bikes, as you would expect in the Netherlands. Incredible ambience. I really like these trains. It's a standard 2x2 layout for this intercity style train. Seats are really padded and really nice. Each seat has armrests and a quite plush and a nicely padded headrest and plug-in USB. Ambience though is really nice. I like these information screens about the train too. As touched on before, these trains have good bike spaces as well as priority seats in every carriage. The bench sofa style seating is also quite nice for socialising. As with all the Netherlands trains, these also have first class, although I wouldn't see it as much as an upgrade except the 2x1 seating and the large tables. Now for a look at the toilet. For a new train you would expect everything to be nice and clean, which it was. Everything was nice and modern, although for some reason I couldn't get the dryer to work. I'm not sure if it was just me doing it wrong or something, but yeah, everything else worked well, which is nice. It wouldn't be the Netherlands without graffiti though. Here's a better look at the seat and the interior ambience. And not before too long, we set off for Breda. Our journey today will be relatively straight, passing through Dordrecht and crossing the Hollands Diep before arriving into Breda in approximately 20 minutes, non-stop. The first thing that struck me on these trains was how quiet they were. You literally could not hear anything except yourself and your movement. The train itself was so quiet. The train was also fitted with real-time information, which was a nice touch, including what platform we were to get onto Breda. The screens also describe the features of the train, including level boarding and disabled toilets. On the outskirts of Rotterdam, we pass Feyenoord Stadium. They currently play in the Eredivisie, the highest league in the Netherlands. Trains also feature modern sidelines between bays. And at our top speed, 100 miles an hour, we were hurtling through the Netherlands countryside. About halfway through our journey, we pass over the Hollands Deep and get incredible views over the Dutch landscape. Not too long after, we were pulling in to the suburbs of Breda. And onto the approach into Breda. We are currently bang on time. So what are my thoughts on the new Intercity trains for the Netherlands? They are amazing. These are how Intercity trains should be built. I've been on lots of Intercity trains in the UK, and I actually think these are the best Intercity trains I've been on ever. They're just so comfy, their ambience is amazing, everything about them is great. The ride quality, the sound, the noise levels are so quiet, everything is built to such a high standard. I think this is how new trains should be done, and Britain needs to just take a look at themselves on the IETs and stuff, and maybe take some advice from the Netherlands. This is how it is done. This is definitely one of the best train journeys I've ever had. One of the most enjoyable and exciting. And with that conclusion, that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn notifications on. I've got lots more trip reviews coming up and you don't want to miss them. Thanks a lot.